Hey, guys. It's your girl, Georgette again. How's everybody up there doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. And if you're new to me, guys, my name is Georgette, and I want to tell you a little bit about my channel. I strive to inspire you and to motivate you. And in doing so, I do hope that you transform your lives like I have truly done. And so, please do not subscribe until the end. Please watch, gain some value or some knowledge, and then smash it in on the end, like and share. You have my permission, you can share and put your notifications on. I drop a video daily. I really do. And so, guys, today, I was thinking about this, and my mentor always talks about this. But I want to share with you in going after your goals, whatever goals you've set for this year 2020. A lot of people have set New Year's resolution. And I just want to give you a little tip real quick about really how to achieve whatever New Year's resolution you've set or whatever goals that you're going after. One of the things I have found is that, and with my type of work that I do, I'm into the law of attraction. And the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters in the law of attraction is action. And that's really what I want to talk a little bit about, because so often people don't take action, and that's why you don't arrive at the goal that you have set. You set this big goals on top of goals, but you refuse to put the action that is required in. And I know I have 2 mentors that I don't think anyone can outwork them. I push a lot as well. I'm not hard on myself. I used to be hard on myself. I am not hard on myself anymore, because I learned that I have to be good to myself on this journey. I have to pamper myself. I have to nurture myself. I have to nurture my body with good foods. I have to exercise. I just did push-ups. I did some push-ups, and I did my over 100 abdominal workout. And I did my workout, cardiovascular jogging and all of that earlier today. So I used to be really hard on myself, but I'm not anymore. But one of the things that you can meditate, if you do meditate like I do 3 times a day, every day. I've started 3 times a day nonstop. Not nonstop, but 3 times a day. You want to do something more. There's one day I set aside to do 4 times for the day, and I think that was Sunday. I believe it was Sundays. I'm setting aside now to do 4 times for the day. However, you can meditate, you can visualize, you can get your vibration high, which is your state, your frequency, your energy can be high. You can think positive, you can talk positive, you can say your affirmations. But if you don't put action in, if you don't have an action plan, whatever that may be, it could be to do a research, to listen to a YouTube video every day moving forth, you will not arrive at the goal. And so my action each day, I take a lot of action every day. Every day I do a video daily, and I'm now implementing a new plan where I'm gonna just allocate one day and do all my videos. And I plan to do that starting this weekend. I'm gonna now sit down and put a plan together and do all 7 videos for the week on one day, whether it's on a Saturday or a Sunday, whichever day I am totally free. I plan to put that plan into action. And you see, they're taking action as well. Because there are times when I'll do a video after my workout, or I'll do a video or 2. But I want to structure it a bit more. Just have my plan together, what my topics are, what my titles are. And from my titles, I arrive at the thumbnail. And so in doing so, that's putting an action plan together. And with doing a video every day, I do other things as well. I do much more other things as well. And so, but you gotta take action daily, not take action today and then tomorrow you do nothing towards the goal. What I have learned, and there are days you're not gonna feel like getting out of bed. I haven't had any of those days right now. Not that I haven't felt like I don't feel like doing it, but I did not stay in bed. I came out of bed and I got the work done. And sometimes those are the days that you are even more productive, you know? And so each day I am wired to get up out of my bed each day, to meditate, to say my affirmations, to write in my gratitude journal. And that is taking action as well towards the goal. And each day I am reading something, whether it's an audio book. I just started a new audio book. I should be done with it perhaps by the weekend. And that's an audio book. And so, or I buy ebook because it's easier for me to get the book just right on my iPad, my Kindle, you know. And so I just purchase ebooks or I have audio books. And so that is taking action because that is knowledge. And so, guys, if you're not constantly learning, then what are you doing? You're not growing. And that in itself is taking action. You know, I learned so much from my mentors, and their names are Ariella Iorio and Wesley Virgin. I learned so much from them. They are great examples, I promise you. They are always learning. And if you have a mentor and you look at their work ethics and that they're always learning, where if you want to be like them, model them, then you got to do the same. Each day you have to make steps forward. Even if you have a 9-to-5 job, when you get home, you got to work on the goal. Either you have audiobooks you're listening to while you're at work or in your car, but you constantly learn, you constantly feed yourself knowledge, and you constantly grow. Whatever your goals are that you have set, you got to work on them. Whether you're researching on Google or on YouTube, but you're learning something every day and you're working towards the goal. I did a video once about the law of action. And like I said, in the last 5 letters is action in the law of attraction. So you're just going to sit back and say, oh, I'm attracting to me great and wonderful things, but you're doing nothing. Let me just burst your bubble, honey. It ain't going to happen. The law of attraction works very well when you activate it. Okay, so you can meditate and you can say your affirmations, but what you got to do is you got to activate that action. And don't get intimidated by the action, because there are many times you don't know how things are going to work out. You don't know, even sometimes you don't even know what you want to do. But like I say, just listen to a vlog. Just go and Google and type in anything. How to make money online. How to make money doing YouTube videos. Just Google anything. And then when you get the knowledge, then you apply. Say, okay, I think I can do a YouTube video. I don't want to show my face, but I think I can perhaps show me cooking. I'm pretty good at cooking. Or I think I'm pretty good at showing how to work out, to do exercise, butt exercise, shoulder exercise. I can create a YouTube video just showing exercises, you know. And so whatever it is, you may not even know what you want to do, but the action is just researching and learning new things. Okay, if it's baking, you want to bake cakes and sell it, then research how to bake the different types of cakes, you know. And so that's what I've learned, that the more action you put in, the more results you're gonna get. And you have people that are outwork. Is that outworking you? Yeah, but you don't want to really compete with anyone. Like for me, I don't compete with anyone because I have to be good to myself, and I have to keep myself in a mind frame of joy and peace and happiness, high frequency, high vibration, always bubbly. I was just listening to my salsa music, dancing in the house, doing my push-ups to my salsa music. And so you got to keep the vibration high. So if you're feeling stressed and burdened, stop. Take a break immediately. Go and take a jog or do some jumping jacks and raise your vibration. Let the blood flow going. Do jump in the mornings. I do jumping jacks just to get my blood flow going. The minute I wake up and I meditate and I do my gratitude journal, when I go into my mirror to do my affirmations in my bathroom, I do jumping jacks just to get the blood flowing and to get pumped and ready for my day. And so action, the word action is at the end of law of attraction. And the more action you take, it's not so much, I wouldn't say the more action you take, just take a step each day. And that is called action, because it's not about the amount of action you take that you will see results. No, for me, once you're taking action towards your goals each day, you will see results. You will see whatever goals you've set manifested into your reality. Whatever you desire, you will see it. But you must put action in. Yes, you must. That's the law of action. And that's the last 5 letters in the law of attraction. Yes, guys. And so just a little motivation for you guys that, we're in 2021. This is January 22nd. Continue to work on the goals. Continue to seek ways and then to seek knowledge. Continue to perfect your skill, or skills. Speaking on camera, I never thought that I would be speaking on camera daily and putting it out there to the public. I didn't think that I would go live speaking to others and inspiring others. But as I do, I think I have 219 videos uploaded to YouTube. Like, oh my gosh. I always like speaking, but I like speaking person to person. I speak to persons all the time, face to face, that I know I would have a YouTube channel. But the more that I shoot a video for you guys, is the better that I become. Because repetition is the mother of skill. And anything that you do over and over and over, you're going to perfect that skill. If you bake every day, you're going to become the greatest baker. Yeah? So with anything, you have to do that daily to perfect it. So whatever you're doing daily towards your goals, you will see those goals manifested. And that's the number one way to really manifest your goals, is to put action in daily. A little bit of action in daily and daily and daily. So guys, I hope you gain some value, guys. I really, really do hope you gain some value. And now is the time. If you haven't subscribed, smash it in for me. Put your notifications on. And I'm going to leave you a step-by-step guide to help you. You will learn a lot about the law of attraction, manifestation, and the law of action. And I'm going to leave you a free gift as well. Grab it below, guys. And keep watching. I am leaving videos popping up. Yes, I am. For your motivation. Yes. So I'm sending you a lot of love and light. It's your girl, Georgette. Bye-bye. See you on the next one.